welcome back to App Mentor. For today's video, I'll be teaching you on how to remove extra pages on iPhone Control Center running on iOS 18. Whether you have accidentally added an extra page or just want to customize your Control Center, this video will help you. Let's start this by opening the Control Center. Swipe down from the top right corner. Now in the Control Center, you'll see all available controls, widgets, or view pages. To remove unnecessary pages, tap on the plus sign icon at the top left corner of the screen. This will show additional options like minus sign button above the controls or the pages. Scroll and find the extra page that you want to remove, and then tap on the minus sign. Now the extra page has been removed. That's it. Thank you for tuning in to App Mentor. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment for any suggestions. See you on the next video.